Okay, there is an inclined plane and there is another inclined plane. It is given that angle of first inclined plane is 30 degrees and let this be theta. A sphere is rolling on this inclined plane and a cylinder is rolling on this inclined plane. They both have the same acceleration. We need to find the angle theta. Okay, let's write equations for this sphere. This will be mg and as this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. So this is 90 minus theta and this will be mg sin theta. And this will be F frictional force mg sin theta minus F equals to ma. First equation. Then Fr equals to 2 by 3 mr square alpha. Second equation. So F equals to 2 by 3 times ma mg sin theta equals to, and this will be 2 by 3 plus 1 5 by 3 times ma a equals to 3g by 5 times 1 by 2 is 3g by 10. Now for cylinder, let this is theta, then mg sin theta minus F equals ma and Fr equals to mr square alpha implies the second equation, which is first equation, implies F equals to ma mg sin theta equals to 2ma, and we got the value of a from the previous that a equals to 3g by 10. So g sin theta equals to 2 times 3g by 10. Right? So sin theta equals to 3 by 5. So it is 37 degrees. So theta equals to 37 degrees.